Hello guys, I'm Nikki. Welcome to my channel. And if you just tuned into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make body lotion meant for melanin skin. And some of you will be like, I know. Yes, melanin skin, not for toning or for bleaching the skin. No, for core melanin skin. Some of my clients have actually got in contact with me and they're like, you're always talking about bleaching products, always bleaching, toning, glowing. Why? Why not try talk about cream or soap meant for melanin skin? So today I decided to do that. I decided to talk about body lotion that can be used for core melanin skin. I know dark skin people do not need so much ingredients on their body because of their skin. They decided to retain that skin tone of theirs, not like me who decided to alter hers. Yes, I know, I decided to alter mine because I like this skin tone I have right now. But at the same time, you guys are going to be going for organic body butter, or probably homemade creams. You're not going for industrial products. I won't advise you guys to go for industrial products. For dark skin, no. If you actually want a glowing dark skin, why not make the cream yourself rather than go for industrial products? Because it will be better to have a shiny dark skin than a cracked dark skin. It's not going to be beautiful. A dark skin is always beautiful when it looks shiny. You know, when you go out under the sun and people be like, wow, she's dark skinned, but she's shiny. Yes, it's always good to look like that. Well, today the ingredient that we need a cup of almond oil. Almond oil, as we know, works for all skin type. So I decided to go for almond oil since a dark skin can actually have a dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin. You know what I mean? So I decided to go for almond oil since the universal oil, sweet almond oil. It's a universal oil and it's been adapted by all skin type. So almond oil, a cup of almond oil. Now a cup of e-wax. E-wax is going to be used as your base since you're going to be making your cream from the scratch. So we're going to be using e-wax, a cup of e-wax, a cup of stearic acid. Stearic acid will help give the e-wax firmness. It will help give it body, so it will actually stand as a good lotion. And apart from that, we're going to be using a cup of aloe vera gel. Yes, aloe vera is very good. Natural aloe vera is really good. Apart from aloe vera helping the skin from any skin irritation whatsoever, it also helps the teeth as well. You know, if you're having teeth sensitivity, maybe your teeth, due to maybe you finish drinking lots of I think it happens to me each time I finish drinking Coca-Cola, a lot of Coca-Cola, not just one. Maybe then I get to have teeth sensitivity and stuff like that. I won't be able to eat something else. You know, you can just put aloe vera gel in your toothpaste and just brush your mouth with it. It's going to be bitter, trust me, but it's worth the risk. Yes, it does work. It's effective. Aloe vera gel used as a toothpaste to help take out sensitivity. It's really good. We'll be needing a quarter of cocoa butter as well. Cocoa butter is meant to be used for dark skin people. A fair person shouldn't be caught using cocoa butter because cocoa butter is really heavy on the skin. And again, if you use it with industrial products, it will not work. Because cocoa butter is meant to be natural, used natural. Yes, and maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and also 3 tablespoons of our sunscreen lotion. Just because you have a dark skin doesn't mean you do not need a sunscreen lotion. No, dark skin people also tend to have sunburn, so you also need a sunscreen lotion to help protect you from the UV ray of the sun. So since the sun tends to damage the skin, so it doesn't get to damage your skin, give you a cracked dark skin. Rather, you want to have a glowing, shiny and radiant. Now the preparation is pretty easy. All you have to do is get a microwave or a double boiler method. Now for people who do not understand double boiler method, for those who didn't watch my previous video of whitening body butter, I'm going to explain using a double boiler method. A double boiler method is you getting an empty pot, then you put water into the pot, then you get a bowl and you put the bowl on top of the water. That's a double boiler method. You can use a cooker, you can use a gas, you can use a stove, whichever method you want to use. It's all well and good with you. It will still give you the same result as that of a microwave. So if you do not have a microwave, you can always make use of that one. Again, you have to get your almond oil, 1 cup of almond oil, put it into the bowl. Then you get your e-wax and your stearic acid and you add them into the bowl. Allow them to get completely melted. Then you get it out of your microwave or the double boiler method. Allow it to cool off for a while, not completely cold. Then you put your cocoa butter. Sorry about that. You put your cocoa butter into it. We do not want our cocoa butter to be completely melted. No, we want it to be a little bit solid and a little bit melted. So when whisking it, so now you get to whisk it. So after whisking, you watch the temperature. The temperature is a little bit cool compared to when you added your cocoa butter. Then you add your grapeseed oil into the mixture. You whisk it again. Then you get your aloe vera gel and you add your aloe vera gel into the mixture as well. Aloe vera, as we know, is gel-like, but when added into the mixture and whisked, you notice it turns into a water solution. So we're going to do that. We're going to whisk it. After whisking, you add your preservative. It should be ranging to 15 ml. So you should be adding 15 ml of 15 ml of preservative into the mixture. Then you put it into a fridge. After whisking, allow it to cool off for a while. You take it out, you add your SPF into it, and you whisk it again. That's your body lotion. So I know most of you will be like, huh, that was pretty easy. Yes, for dark skin, you do not need so much chemicals on your body. So much chemicals won't actually work for you. It will only alter your skin. You love your dark skin, you love to go all dark skin. Call melanin. Yes, do not alter your body. All you need to do is go all organic on your skin. Organic will work for you, and at the same time, it's going to help give you a radiance you've actually wanted. It won't give you a cracked skin. And I know some of you might want to ask, sorry I never said that earlier, that why did you add preservative? I added preservative because of the aloe vera gel. We used a fresh aloe vera gel, so, and we know aloe vera tends to turn into a water solution, so we need to add preservative to preserve the aloe vera into the cream. No, we do not want to have skin irritation and the rest. So if you've been watching my video from beginning to the end and you've not subscribed, that's unfair. I would like you to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, click on it, and if you did enjoy the video, you can just give it a thumbs up, love, share my video, and your criticism is the only thing that will make me better. I need your critiques. If you actually like it, yes. And if you think there's some things you're not doing well, there's some things you need to adjust, I need to learn. I'm still learning. Everybody learn every day. And I need your comments. You know, so many comments should come in. I need your comment. But don't just start sending comments and telling me you want my recipe for free. I won't do that. Most of you do it, and you know, I would love to do that, but you know, it will be so unfair to people who have ordered my ebook. It will be really unfair to start giving you recipes for free. Just good comments about other things. Maybe things like, oh, I bought a cream, do you think the cream would be nice? And some of you will get other creams that would be so horrible on the skin. Honey, even if you want to bleach clean, not bleaching skin that will actually give you knuckles, give you stretch marks, give you green veins, you know, and you start complaining, it has damaged my skin. This is your skin. Looking good is good business, I must tell you. Looking good is good business, especially when you're walking on the road and people be like, wow, I love your skin. There's so many people who need to comment on the skin. You know, when someone sees something good, they're gonna definitely tell you it's good. I'm telling you the truth. Well, thanks for tuning to my channel. See you guys later. Bye guys.